Connection of resistors. Here first resistor resistance R1, second R2, third R3. Like this way the resistors are connected in series with battery through plug key. Okay, then current flow through all resistors it is constant, but potential difference across different resistors is V1, V2, V3 and so on. Net potential difference is V1 plus V2 plus V3 and so on. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So therefore, I into R1, I into R2, I into R3 and so on. V. Here V by I, that is equal R1 plus R2 plus R3. So potential difference, net potential difference by net current is called net resistance, R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. So this is, what is that? Effective resistance. For example, n identical resistors. Identical resistors are connected in series. Effective resistance is equal to here R is equal to 1R, 2R, 3R and so on, right? NR. So this is effective resistance in series combination, right? So next one, difference across the first resistor. How we can measure? Potential difference is V1 is equal to I into R1. Resistor resistance, first resistor resistance. So here V by I is equal to R1 plus R2. For example, two resistors we are joined in series. Okay. Then current formula I is equal to V by R1 plus R2. Okay. I value you can substitute here. V1 is equal to V by R1 plus R2 into R1. This is potential difference across first resistor. Potential difference across second resistor, that is V2 is equal to V by R1 plus R2 into, what is that? R2. This is potential difference across the second. In the case of two resistors. So next one, parallel connection of resistors. Right. V common potential. Here R1 resistance, first resistor resistance, R2 second resistor resistance. Next, resistors are connected in parallel. First resistance, second resistance, third, like this way. And resistors are connected in parallel. Effective resistance formula. They are connected with a battery. Okay. So here plug it in. Current is divided into parts I1, I2 and I3. Okay, total current is I. The potential difference V is equal to constant across each resistor, that is equal to battery potential difference, and net current is equal to sum of individual currents. Okay, so according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. From this, I is equal to V by R effective is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3 and so on. 1 by R effective is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, so this is parallel connection of resistor effective resistance formula. If n identical resistors are connected in parallel, then okay, 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R and so on. like this way, N by R. Here 1 by R effective, that is R effective is equal to R by N. Okay. Next. Okay. Resistors R1 and R2 are connected in parallel. Then current through first resistor. What is the current through first resistor? Current through first resistor, that is equal to 2. Here they are parallel. Potential difference across the first one, I1 R1 is equal I2 into R2. Now we are going to determine I1 value, I2 into R2 divided by R1. Okay, here R is equal to R1 plus otherwise total current is I is equal to I1 plus I2. I2 is equal to I minus of I1. Okay, we can substitute in them. I1 into R1, that is equal to I minus of I1 into R2. I1 into R1 plus I1 into R2, I into R2. Here I1 take common, R1 plus R2, that is equal to I into R2. I1 is equal to I into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Similarly, current through second resistor, that is equal to I into R1 divided by R1 plus R2. This is current through second. So battery it is also called electrical cell. Okay, source of electric current, it is called as battery. Okay, so every battery it consisting of two terminals. One is positive terminal, next second negative terminal. High potential and called as positive terminal, low potential of this terminal it is called as, what is that, negative terminal. So this is battery. Battery, it is a device which produces the electrical energy or electrical power, right? So here types are primary battery, next secondary battery. Primary battery means a battery which cannot use after, what is that, use, and so which cannot recharge, which cannot recharge after use. Okay, so this is a battery which cannot use after recharging, right? So a battery can use after recharge. Okay, multiple times we can use, so that is called secondary. Primary battery, it is, example is, what is that, Daniell cell. Okay, lead accumulator, this is also one of the example for secondary cell. Next, here battery, this is battery, it contains two terminal, one is positive and negative terminal. So if the two ends of the terminals are connected with a connecting wire, so this is called, what is it, short circuit, right? So two ends of the terminals are connected together. Next, if the two ends of the terminals are open, okay, this is plus minus, this is called open circuit. Current through cell formula is equal to E by capital R plus small r. E is nothing but EMF, R is nothing but external resistance. Okay, so here small r is nothing but internal resistance. This is battery symbol. This is symbolical representation of battery, right? Connected with a external resistance. or current. Internal resistance is R. Current through this, what is that? Cell formula. So I is equal to E by capital R plus small r. External resistance plus internal resistance. Short circuit means if two terminals of the cells are, what are they? Connected with a connecting wire. That means this is battery connected with a connecting wire. Here two terminals of these batteries are, what are they? Opened. Right. Yes. Okay. So here in short circuit, capital R it is equal to 0, I is equal to E by R. Next, capital R it is equal to infinity, I is equal to here, what is that? E by something by infinity, that is equal to 0. No current will be flows. These are conditions for this open circuit and short circuit. Next,